LED slide screen. As an innovative display medium, it provides users with an unprecedented visual experience. It is based on cutting-edge LED display technology. Present high-definition, colorful images make the display content lively. It captures the attention of the audience. LED slide screen not only has the following advantages and features. It is a weapon to enhance brand perception and popularity. Unique display method with slide screen. Brand perception is intuitive, three-dimensionally in front of the audience. Deepen their awareness and understanding of the brand. At the same time, the slide screen can vividly display the unique charm and advantages of the product. Let the audience have a more intuitive experience of the product or service. LED slide screen has a wide range of applications. Whether it is an exhibition, a museum, or a shopping mall, can make the display more diverse and rich. Therefore, if you are eager to make your display more attractive, LED slide screen is undoubtedly your best choice. It will open a visual feast for you, make your brand and product stand out from the crowd.